Hello, this is Michael Hopkins, Director of the Michigan String Educators Workshop. Due to the ongoing restrictions of travel of visitors to campus, we'll be holding the workshop virtually again this year. But unlike last year, I've been able to plan for the workshop to be virtual from the very beginning. So I've taken advantage of the virtual format, and we're going to feature 16 all-star clinicians from all over the country. And they're going to share ideas in all areas of string education, including pedagogy, curriculum, repertoire, creative musicianship, socio-emotional learning, rebuilding your program post-COVID, and instrument repair. So please check out the website for detailed information about our presenters and registration information. And I hope to see you this summer.